Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing YouTube picture mode is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, go to your mobile setting or your device and click on the app and go to the YouTube and scroll down and check in advanced mode. Picture in picture option is allow or not. If it is not allow, then allow it and check the problem. If it persists, then next solution is go to the Play Store and search here YouTube and check the update. If any update is available, then update it. After updating the YouTube, check the problem. If it is persist, then next is long press on the YouTube and go to the app info and click on the storage and cache. Here clear cache once and clear storage once. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then last is uninstall the YouTube app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.